Imagine you're in class and someone cuts in front of you in line. You feel that tight feeling in your chest, you're mad. Now, imagine being able to pause, take a deep breath, and calmly say, "Hey, I was in line first." It is just one of the many benefits of having emotional intelligence, one of the most powerful tools you can have. Or imagine this: your best friend is sitting alone with a sad face. No one else notices, but you do. You sit next to them and say, "Want to talk about it?" It is a simple yet powerful demonstration of emotional intelligence in action. Emotional intelligence is a superpower that empowers you to navigate life's ups and downs confidently. If you want to grow your mind and heart and learn to be your best self, tap that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a new video. What is emotional intelligence? So, what is emotional intelligence, you ask? It's a big phrase, but don't worry, it's pretty simple. Let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand. Emotional intelligence means being smart about feelings. It's about knowing what you feel, why, and what to do. It's also about noticing and caring about other people's feelings. People with emotional intelligence don't just react. They respond. They don't let their feelings control them. Instead, they understand their feelings and use them in helpful ways. Why it's important? Emotional intelligence is not just a concept, it's a practical tool that can enhance many aspects of your life. Here's what it can do for you. It can help you calm down when you're angry or stressed, speak up when something's wrong, say sorry and mean it, and be a better friend, classmate, or family member. Help you work through problems without yelling or fighting. Help you feel more confident inside. Smart people know a lot. But emotionally intelligent kids? They connect, lead, and grow in ways that change lives. The 4 main parts of emotional intelligence. Let's break it down. There are 4 big pieces to emotional intelligence. 1. Self-awareness. Self-awareness means knowing what's going on inside you. It's when you can say, "I'm feeling nervous," or "I'm jealous right now," instead of acting grumpy or mean. When you understand your feelings, you don't let them take over. Instead of reacting, you can choose what to do next. Being aware is the first step to being in control. 2. Self-control. Self-control is like your inner remote control. It helps you pause before you do or say something you might regret. When you're mad, do you yell and slam the door? Or do you breathe, count to 10, and then talk it out? When you have self-control, you can feel big emotions without letting them explode. It doesn't mean you don't feel things. It just means you smartly handle them. 3. Social awareness. Social awareness is when you notice what other people are feeling. It's like tuning into someone's emotional channel. Can you tell when a friend is upset, even if they're quiet? Can you sense when someone feels left out? This part of emotional intelligence helps you be a better friend, classmate, or teammate. It means paying attention to people's faces, voices, and body language. Sometimes people don't say how they feel, but if you watch closely, you'll understand anyway. 4. Relationship skills. It means knowing how to get along with others, even when it's hard. It's being able to listen carefully, talk about your feelings, and share how you feel without blaming others. Say, "I'm sorry," when needed. Solve problems together instead of fighting. Strong relationship skills help you build trust, solve arguments, and make deeper connections. Let's look at some real examples. You study hard, but your test score is low. Instead of yelling or crying, you say, "Okay, I'm disappointed, but I'll ask for help and try again." That's emotional intelligence. Your brother breaks your smartphone. You want to scream, but you take a deep breath and talk to him calmly. That's emotional intelligence. A friend is sitting alone. You walk over and invite them to join you. That's emotional intelligence. It shows up in the big moments and the small ones. Can you learn IT? Yes. Remember, emotional intelligence is not something you're born with, it's something you can learn and grow. And the remarkable thing is, anyone can understand it. Just like math or reading, it's a skill you can practice. Start small. Each day, ask yourself, how am I feeling right now? Please write it down or talk about it with someone you trust. Practice pausing when you feel big emotions. Try to notice how your friends and family feel. Think before you speak. Ask questions such as, "Are you okay?" or "How can I help?" These small steps grow your emotional muscles over time. And the more you practice, the stronger you get. Emotional intelligence isn't about being perfect. It's about paying attention, caring, and trying your best. It helps you become someone who understands yourself, respects others, and solves problems kindly. So remember, you may not always control what happens around you, but you can learn to control what happens inside you. And that's your real superpower.